What's the most realistic animal noise you can make? What is this question? What's the most realistic animal noise you can make? Alright, Tricky, rate my bark. You ready?
Okay.
Tell me what kind of dog it is.
Okay, your sensitivity on Discord cut you out. Okay, I kind of hear now.
What
Chihuahua.
That's realistic, baby. She figured it out. I didn't do anything. Alright. That might be my best effort.
Well, there's my Screech.
What is that?
Could be bird-like. My Screech.
What, you didn't. No, you put a soundboard.
No, I didn't, Filian.
What? She's listening to real life. She's an actual bird person. Wait, how? Can I do that? Can you teach me how?
Yeah. So,
How do I do this?
How I do it, I inhale.
Okay.
And then, like,
Kirby.
I kind of squeeze.
I burped. Alright. No, what was it?
Close. So
I just inhaled like and squeezed my throat, and that's what happened.
Yeah. Okay, so do that again, but think
Like that?
like more high pitch. I didn't hear anything.
Whoa! That's like a vulture.
Yeah. Yeah.
This hurts my throat so much. That's so dumb. That's actually kind of cool. Okay, well that's not gonna get clipped. All right.
And then I have the. I guess I could sound like a dog
Really?
sometimes.
I didn't hear it.
I didn't do it yet.
Oh. Are you working up to it? Is this pressure?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's embarrassing. I hate it.
Bigfoot is real. He's a descendant of Neanderthals that a Homo sapiens used to hunt. Thank you for the 10 bits.
I was there for the Screech of 69.
True. What? God dang, you could have voiced all dogs go to heaven. That's crazy.
Yeah. Except I wouldn't go to heaven, huh?
Check it. Well, I don't know what harpies go to. Maybe go to Zimbabwe. Alright. God damn, that's actually realistic for Rick. My most realistic animal noise I can do is like
Tricky can
a
screech
chihuahua bark. That's
uninterrupted
it.
for 60 seconds.
Alright.